Doodle. 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 Look over here. Doodle.
His eyes open?
Yes. Maybe he likes them. Sleep months, here he goes. Okay, let's see. The time of the moonrise with the setting, we missed it. Setting sun meant that the moon would rise up in the sky over Washington during the blue hour, which is a period of time of the sky transitions from light blue to black. The blue hour occurs during twilight. It's an optimal time for photography. Dudes.
You can't wait forward, you're in the light.
Doodle. I want to see his face. Dudes. I have to go over here so I can see his face.
Turn on the light.
I'm going to get my phone. Make sure you don't know it. It's so funny. Doodle. That's a funny one.
Max is just a big chicken.
You can't really see him, and it's funny. Well, I should take him off the phone. Dudes.